Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to delete or uninstall the cloned applications from this device. So here you can see I already created the cloned application for the WhatsApp and the Facebook. So let me show you two methods to uninstall this cloned applications from this device. First of all, press and hold the app icon that you want to uninstall. So here I am going to press and hold this Facebook. Here you can see the option uninstall. Tap on this one, tap on the confirmation, uninstall. You can see second copy of WhatsApp Facebook uninstalled. And from settings also we can uninstall. For the settings, go to settings, tap on advanced features, tap on dual messenger, just turn off this option, tap on uninstall. You can see the two cloned applications are uninstalled from this device. So simply in this way we can uninstall the cloned applications in this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.